This is the daily weather briefing for South Texas for Friday, August 9th, 2013, brought to you by the National Weather Service Forecast Office located in Corpus Christi. I'm meteorologist Rob Hart. Well, today is going to be one more really hot day across South Texas, and then we'll see a little bit of relief in the way of temperatures, a little cooler, as well as some rain chances over the weekend. We'll take a look at that coming up shortly, and we'll also take a look at the tropics. But first off, on today's weather briefing, we'll take a look at the surface chart from this morning. South Texas had light southeasterly flow. The nearest boundary was a stationary front draped across north central Texas, extending from about Midland over to Abilene up to Fort Worth, and then curving northeastward into the lower Ohio Valley. South Texas will remain hot and under the influence of high pressure once again today, with afternoon highs not quite as hot as the past couple of days, but hot nonetheless. Afternoon highs across the coastal counties will generally be in the mid to upper 90s, and then once you get inland, rapidly will warm into around 100 degrees by early to mid-afternoon, officially going for a high of 97 before the sea breeze moves in at Corpus Christi, 103 in Atlas, and the hottest temperatures will be across the western brush country, 106 in Cotulla, and 105 in Laredo. Now, the interaction of today's heat and increasing humidity by mid to late afternoon will lead to heat indices between 105 and 110 degrees this afternoon, but values will be just a little lower than the previous days, to where a heat advisory is not necessary. Make sure you drink plenty of water and non-alcoholic and non-caffeinated beverages if you're going to be out in the sun today, as we'll have mostly sunny skies. Now, changes will come late tonight and into the day tomorrow and Sunday as a weak tropical wave and trough of low pressure move westward across the Gulf of Mexico. Isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible Saturday and again on Sunday. The additional cloud cover and a little bit of rain will cause afternoon highs to only be in the 90s area-wide, with maybe a few locations reaching 100 across the brush country. Not looking like a really big rainmaker at this time, though isolated locations could receive a quick half-inch to 1 inch of rain. But on average, if you experience a shower, it should be about a quarter of an inch or less, and unfortunately, not everyone will receive rainfall this weekend. Now, if you're heading to the beach this weekend, again, scattered showers and perhaps a rumble or two of thunder will be possible both days. Afternoon highs in the upper 80s to around 90, and the rip current risk is currently expected to remain low. Look at the tropics. You can see the tropical wave across the central Gulf. This is the disturbance that will be moving into our area over the weekend. But overall, no significant tropical cyclone development is expected during the next 5 days across the Gulf of Mexico and Atlantic Ocean. That's going to do it for today's weather briefing. Don't forget, for the very latest weather information, check out our webpage at weather.gov/Corpus Christi. But for now, we thank you for watching.